still.
Well, have you been up all night? You look terrified. Stop
Yeah,
kissing
because
me.
of those.
Okay.
I'm gonna touch you.
Yo,
No.
ooh, I'm scared. Somebody help me.
Yo, let me
It's
see.
Sunday.
Let me see what's on the computer.
That guy tried shooting me. White, that guy tried shooting me.
I'm gonna play video games. Pew, pew.
No, get off. It's my time on the computer. My time on the
They're
computer.
leaving me alone.
No, it's my time.
No, I'm searching up something.
They're
Wait.
leaving me alone.
Guys,
Finally.
it says there's a zombie
Shut up!
apocalypse.
I'm trying to play Grow
Oh my
Garden.
days, bro. Oh my god.
Guys. What is that? Ow! Ow! Everybody get your butt dreamers!
I'm dreaming. Is your light green?
You're not dreaming! Wake up!
I'm gonna die.
Stay here! Everybody! Guys! You can't fight! There's way too many!
I forgot my weapon.
He bit you! He bit you! Hey!
Shoot it with your Nerf gun.
Guys! Yeah, get in the ground. Okay, everybody, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Everybody, go to sleep.
Guys, just go to sleep. Yeah.
Maybe this is a dream.
Oh
Maybe
my
this is a
god,
dream.
it started again. Who pressed ready?
Who is screaming? Ow! Ow! Bro, can I have a gun?
How is our Nerf guns doing so
I don't have money. All I have is 29 cents. Please. Please.
Why do they
I'll find a way to pay
Hold
you
on.
back.
Hold on.
Oh, there's
It
no
is
way to-
zombies. What are these things? What are they?
Ow, you shot me. Ow. They're zombies, bro. Have you heard of the zombie apocalypse?
No, I don't do that every day. Just casually, right?
I just seen it on the news.
Bro, I just want to play Grow Garden while I get the...
You want to play
Oh my gosh, I need
Grow
the
a
raccoon so
Guardian?
bad.
You want to play Grow a Guardian on Roblox?
Yeah, I play Grow Garden right now
Give me
while
it.
there's a
Give me
full
it. Give me it. Give me it. Get that
No,
out
a
of here.
sugar apple was just
but that's my last
2 minutes
ammo.
ago. And that's when I
Ow!
was shooting all the zombies with my Nerf gun.
They can't get you in here.
Ow!
These guys are weak, whoever did it.
Okay.
Yo, guys, who are these people? Who are these people?
We don't know.
There's zombies.
Okay.
Oh,
But they
Guys.
can't get you in there.
We need to end this.
I'm going to a spot where
I don't
they
know
can't
what to
attack
do.
you specifically.
No, you gotta fight back, yo.
Oh.
Where's he going?
Ow. 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 Whoa. Oh. There's titans.
yo, who are these big guys?
this off of eBay.
No way.
A Minecraft pickaxe? Grow Garden's better, bro.
No way, Minecraft. Hold on, wait, let me deal with this. No way, bro. It's my. Oh my gosh! Ow.
Help me.
Guys, I need help.
Oh my god.
Y'all need medicine, bro.
I'll help you.
I'll help you.
Thank you,
I
bro.
don't need you guys.
I'll reporter again. Yo, guys, this ain't good, bro.
It was this kid.
Ah! I don't have any bullets.
Yo, use the gun. Use the pickaxe. One.
Minecraft pickaxe. Okay. Ah, flesh. Guys, I ate flesh. I don't know if I'm doing so good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh,
Can you help me, bro?
guys,
got
I
it in.
ate
I
zombie
think
flesh.
those are zombies.
Use a pickaxe. For me, it hits like 2 shots.
Wait,
Guys.
we should probably go home and watch the
Guys.
news and see who these people are.
I ate zombie flesh.
That's zombies?
Yeah.
Wait, now we know that it's invading us.
Oh, what the? Ah, whoa. Ah, throw it back. Oh, wait, what?
Oh my gosh, bro.
Ah. Ah, ah. Ah. What? I have no bullets.
I killed you.
Help.
At least I just got the
Ah, he's about to unalive me.
There you go.
Yay.
Guys, we should probably go home and watch the news.
Guys, I have an idea.
No, we don't have
follow
time for
me,
that
follow
anymore,
me, follow me. I have an idea,
Don't
guys.
help.
Come on. Run. Come on, follow. Come on, run.
Somebody fell in the water.
Come on,
You
right
don't know
here.
how to swim, bro. We like,
Come on. Come on, Blue. Come on. Get up here.
how is
Everybody, get up here. Jump.
it? You shot me with your Nerf gun. I'm very hurt.
I'm sorry.
Hold on, wait, let me get a bandage. Hold on, wait, let me get bandages. Stop hitting me. Bruh.
Hey, that was pickaxe. I don't like it.
Okay, there you go.
Dead. I'm almost dead, but
Yeah, I'm hurt a little bit.
a little bit.
Yo, I'm gonna have to go back, y'all.
Bruh, I feel something in my head.
Yo, where's everybody? I
That
think
guy
we're the
fell
only
in the
ones.
water. That other guy fell in the water.
Bro, I don't
He
know
doesn't
what.
know how to
golf.
swim.
It's like golf, bro.
Bruh,
Oh, no.
what just happened? I almost just shot green.
Bro, by the way, I forgot to tell you
Guys.
that other cyan kid said,
Guys, my arm. I'm not controlling. I'm not controlling my arm.
Oh my god.
there's just
Blue, help!
zombie right
Blue, help! Blue, help!
my
I'm not controlling my arm. Oh no! Need bandages.
Oh,
Wrap them up. Guys, I can't.
You just. Yo, I got it. Don't worry, bro.
somebody give me
Yo,
bandages.
I think this gun is cursed. I think this gun
Guys.
is cursed.
I ate rotten flesh,
Oh,
and I
shit.
became. I ate rotten flesh, and something's happening.
Maybe I should just end you, man. Maybe
No.
you should.
Okay, give me the gun. Give me the gun.
Yo, why? He was red watch. He was red watch.
Now you're a red watch.
I'm alive. No, wait, you're red one
I'm
now.
not red watch.
Wait,
You're
why am I red?
Because
Hey.
you shot me. You couldn't.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go get some more weapons.
You can't-
Yo, Trust me.
I'm trying to reach you.
One of our teammates-
I can't control it, man. Yo, bro, do you got any medicine?
Yeah, I got some medicine. Eat up.
I ate
Bill-
some flesh. Ow! Ah!
Give me bandages.
Bro.
Green,
Yeah.
green.
What's that? Help! Ow! Owie! Guys!
I was trying to play girl Barbie.
Alright. Got it! Get a medic! Ow!
Final form.
Thank you,
Guys,
bro.
I need a
Oh, no.
medic. I got beat up.
Same. I have a
How did
heavy
my
backpack
final
and I'm beat up.
Yo, give me some help. I
I
can't
I have to go down to get help.
I can't control
I'll
myself,
get you heals
bro.
later.
I also got teamed up by a bunch of them.
Watch this. Come on, come over here.
Shoot it.
Shoot. I'm sorry. I tried killing you.
Go, no. Bruh,
Is this your
how are they still here? I can't deal with it. So much stuff.
Milo?
Like
Milo,
this has
eat this.
all of
Milo,
the goods.
eat this, bro. Even though you shot me, eat this.
I need to drop
Well,
it.
I couldn't control myself. I ate rotten flesh from a zombie and I started acting up.
You should probably go to the doctor.
Hope.
Yeah.
There is no doctor anymore.
What did
You realize
Oh,
this
yeah.
is a zombie apocalypse, right?
Well, you know what you gotta do with him if he's infected.
Alright, let's go outside, man. Let's go outside. So he just died.
No, I'm just resting. I got attacked by like
You should probably go
12 of them.
outside.
Yo,
dude.
they're gathering
Come on.
up. They're gathering up.
Guys, I know a safe place.
I found all of These give you a
Hey,
boost when
get
you
off.
jump and shoot them.
Get off.
Yo, these give you a boost when you jump and shoot them.
I'm going somewhere myself. They want me to stay there and fight, and I just want to be safe. I ain't being with them. I gotta go find a doctor up this mountain. It's gonna take me a while to climb up this whole thing.
My final form. This is my final form. Please go away. Please go. Dead. They're dead.
Guys, we know a place. We know a place. Come on, let's go. Bullet. Come on, let's get multiple bags of stuff. We gotta go. Oh crap. We gotta start going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh crap. Where the crap am I? Office.
Okay, everyone.
Where are the others?
Probably at the house.
So there's zombies and crazy robots, okay.
250. Who's here? Shoot them now.
I hope the others are okay. What is this? Hello?
Type something.
I'm in office.
Type something on the computer. It may teleport my friend back. What the heck? Bro?
Where the heck did you come from?
From the TV?
Okay, you can just do that?
I mean, you just... I don't know. Did you do something to the computer?
I
Maybe-
typed something in.
That's probably... Okay. You are ugly, you woman. Think I made it mad? By the way, I was going
Why's she
to
looking
see,
at me?
I was at a doctor's place, man. He was fixing me up and stuff. He gave me this thing.
Well, they said to head back to
He
base.
also gave me a sun hat. I just didn't wear it. I wear it on bad days. I mean good days, but today ain't a good day. Hey, this thing's kind of nice, eh? Ain't this thing nice? It ain't trying to hurt us or anything.
Yeah.
Are there other ones like this that are nice?
Yeah.
That are back there? I'm just go towards the exit. Like, where's the way out? Run! Shut it! Bro, that was so close. High five.
They said head.
Run! Where's the exit? Have you been here?
They said
There's an elevator.
no.
Wait, this ain't an
Yeah, no.
elevator? Wait. revolver.
Wait, I think I have an ID for this one.
I did not know that had ammo. Give her the evidence. What? Oh, there's a gold statue. And a clipper? Yo, bro. Where you at? Look.
I'm right here.
Look at this. Gold statue and this. Well, I'll just throw this in the trash. Ooh. Yeah,
Looks
he
like
was.
there's another horde of zombies.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
I went away from the horde of zombies, so I can't be her and go to a doctor's
What does
place.
this Dix do? Wait,
And then, and
look
then
at this.
You
look at
take
this.
me
Look
here?
at this. What is this? I gotta keep
I
this.
don't know what it is. I'll just scan this.
Keep going.
Is this how you teleported me?
Yeah.
Time to stuff in, it doesn't work. Okay, let's get out of here.
Yeah. Some weird things here.
Okay. I'm gonna slide this and we run. Go, 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 go! Come on, come on! This way, this way! Open it, open! Oh wait, it's already open! Shut, shut, shut! Oh my god.
We gotta make our way back.
Where'd you find this place at though? Did something tell you or
Hold on. So whisper.
a whisper told you this place?
Yeah. Hold on.
I mean, I don't believe that.
What the?
Oh, look! It's pictures of the card. Well, I don't honestly care.
We gotta find our way out.
Yeah. Can you help us out? Run through this door. Okay. What is this? Super party paper. Take this. What is this? Hey, you need... Can I scan? Can you, Can I scan this card on you so you know us or something?
Hello? Anyone there?
I am, Let's go back. I don't like this place anyway. Second, we're here.
Yeah, let's.
How did you... Where is the way... Okay. Ooh, why does this look like that?
Wait, I think I found my way back.
Okay, let's go then. Let's take this back. This might be useful. Both of these cards.
Yeah.
I mean, I was saying about throwing. Oh no, wait, bro. Have you seen this before?
No.
I think we should check it out. Oh look.
Hey, hold on.
I'm kind of scared. Okay. You brought me back here?
Yeah.
I thought I was back at my doctor's appointment.
I gotta go.
Did all the other people get eaten?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like.
So you're gonna go on a hike, okay. Well, I gotta go back to my doctor's appointment.
Oops.
Climb up this long thing. See ya. Hit. Ow. Okay. Back to climbing this humongous rock. Getting the hang of it. Doctor may think, I'm crazy. It's gonna be hard to get back up there. I'm going back, I don't care.